Tell me why every time I open this app, I see orders so bad it make me question my life's decision. Like, am I really about to drive 7 miles for $3? Nah. These apps think we out here delivering for free and think we delivering for play. Look, if you've been out here dashing or multi-apping, you already know the pain. But today, I'm breaking down 3 signs an order is straight up trash and not worth your time. And if you stay to the end, I'll give you my top gig app that I'm using to make my money currently in 2025. Stay tuned. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're gonna like this. Let's try to get this video to 200 likes. I know you guys got it in you. Let's go ahead and smash that like button. Let's run those numbers up. But before we get into the video, let's do a couple of deliveries. Let's go. Okay, first order, I got a $10 5-mile order. Let's go ahead, DoorDash, let's knock it out. All right, second order of the day, I got a $7 1-mile job. Let's go ahead and knock it out and then get back into the video. The first sign I look out for is bad pay to mile ratio. If you're new to these apps, if you see any orders like this, or like this, run. Don't take these orders. These are called upside down orders. These are when the mileage is more than the pay. We don't take any of these. When you see these orders, decline. Decline these orders, don't take them. The apps are just trying to see who's gonna take them. Just let it sit. Don't take it. Sign number 2, low pay on the orders. These orders now are getting lower and lower. The base pay are getting lower on these apps. Some of them are $2. Some of these apps, they're taking the base pay off. When you see any orders like this, again, don't take any of these orders. Low pay, $2 orders, don't take it. I don't care how it comes in, unless it's a stack where you can't see which order is paying what, then you might have a problem there. But low pay, stay away from $2 orders. Please, stay away from those. And if you're getting value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel further, click the links down below. Buy me a coffee. Sign number 3, long distance. Those orders that are paying really, really low, but the distance is long, don't take those orders. I'm talking your $2, 10-mile, your $8, 20, whatever those orders are. That is a sign that these orders are just straight up trash and not worth your time. Stay away from longer distance orders that aren't paying you. Stay away from them, plain and simple. I was just working and I was like, you know what? These are some tips that some people could use, new people in the game could use to help benefit and make more money. Because some folks don't know about this. So what I may know, some may not. So I'm just trying to give y'all my little nuggets that I have. These orders just seem to be getting lower and lower. The distance seemed to be a lot longer, and there seem to be more stacked orders. We got to be smart out here, guys. These apps don't care anything about us drivers. All they care about is their bottom line, and they're trying to make money. So we have to look at things the same way. Stop accepting these low offers. Any orders that are $2, any orders that are upside down where the distance is more than the pay, stop taking all of those orders. The only way you're going to teach these apps that we are not here for play is when you don't accept these orders. You gotta stop. You gotta stop. Let these orders sit by the wayside. Go back in the algorithm so they can add more dollars on it. And if they don't, then let it fall off. We ain't working for free, y'all. We trying to make money. If you're new and you're trying DoorDash, Uber Eats, these gig apps, I know right now it seems horrible. It really does. The pay are a lot lower. Hold on. But it also depends on your market, because some people like New York, some places in California, you know, the pay is better there. But just stop taking those orders, make your money. But I know what y'all been waiting for. The app that I'm currently using to make my money, the gig app. It's Spark. Spark has been killing it. In my market, it's been doing very well. I've been getting orders like this, and like this in the last couple days. So if you have Spark in your market, you should download it. I know there's a wait list in some markets, but you should download it. If it's in your market, you should download it. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you all for subscribing to the channel. Thank you all for listening and viewing. Until next time, it's your boy AD signing out. Peace out.